So for today's recipe, I'm going to be making white chocolate peanut butter blondies. So what I'm going to be using is I've got the Happy Way peanut butter protein powder. I'm going to be using chickpeas as the main ingredient instead of flour, so it's nice and high in protein. I've got some vegan white chocolate chopped up, some almond flour, however you could use oat flour if you like, some baking powder, vanilla extract. I'm using rice malt syrup to sweeten, however you could use maple syrup or date syrup. And I'm using almond butter, however peanut butter would work great as well. So to make this recipe, I simply preheated the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. So I'll be adding into the food processor the wet ingredients plus the chickpeas. So the chickpeas, almond butter, rice malt syrup and vanilla extract. I'm going to blend that until it's nice and smooth, and then I'm going to be adding in the protein powder, the almond meal and the baking powder, and process that again until it's nice and smooth, and then I'm simply going to fold in the white chocolate chunks. And once that's all combined, I'm going to pour it into a lined baking tray and bake that in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and cooked.